Hi, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Subi build. Alright, so today I'm going to go through and show you a little bit of what I did yesterday and a little bit of what I've done today, and then we'll talk about the plans I have for it. Let's get started. Alright, so to begin with, I took these big off-roading lights off yesterday and all the wiring I had there. Had to pull the whole front grill off because of the way they were put in there. Noticed that the clips that go here and most of the other ones along there are broken, and some were actually like glued together, which that's a no-go. So I'm gonna have to get new clips. I'm probably gonna wind up putting a different like mesh style grill in it, so that didn't really matter anyway. I did go through and clean it. We got all the sunflower seeds and dirt and stuff out of here, which is nice. The carpet looks much better. The seats still have some stains in it. Found $1, another little bit of reimbursement. It turned out pretty good. It cleaned up well. And today I have been working on removing all the unwanted wiring in the stereo because it's busted. So like we just have this rat's nest of wires here with some fuses. We had a digital audio cable that went to something at some point. Some wires, some GPS connector setup. Maybe it went to like Sirius or something. I don't know. But so far it looks crazy, huh? Got everything all pulled out and torn out. Pretty simple. I didn't really see the need to film it. This stuff comes out pretty simple. It's just, you know, a couple screws here and there, and you tug on it and these little things just pop out. So that's what's going on today. We'll go over here. Got our little parts bin going. I'm gonna take all these panels and inside and clean them. There's the headlight set up there. We got shifting everything, shifter knob and everything. But all this stuff's really nasty. Just years of not being cleaned. I'm assuming you got like this. You got grime and stuff that's all down in there. It's stuff all tucked into the e-brake boot. So all this stuff will go inside and get it cleaned. So yeah, plans for the car. We are going to wind up getting a stage 2 short block, most likely. I think that'll be the cheapest route, or at least roughly the same price if I was to buy all the parts myself and start assembling everything. So we'll get a stage 2 short block. If the heads are okay and they're not just totally trashed, I'll wind up using those. They need to be sent off and get machined. So yeah, progress. It's slow and steady. Got to start pulling the motor out because the motor's shot. Like I said, put a battery in it yesterday. Checked it had power here. Checked the main fuse. It had power there. Turned it over. Kind of limped along. Sounded like crap really because there's massive knot going on the internals. So engine's definitely toast. Whatever, it'll be cool. Just thought I'd give you guys a kind of a small update. Maybe this weekend, tomorrow, this weekend sometime, I don't know. I'll get in to actually start pulling the motor out and I'll film a lot of that. This is not too difficult. It's gonna kind of be a pain because I don't have a lift and all that jazz, but we'll get into it. Should come out pretty simple though. It's not exactly a complicated thing to do. So, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video and this update on the Subi build. I'll keep you guys posted as often as I can as parts come in and we can start putting stuff on it. So, if you like this video, man, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with this build and whatever other little mechanical things that I'm doing around here in the house. But anyway, hope you guys have a good morning, evening, night, whatever it is for you around the world. And I'll catch you on the next one.